Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Apple ID password without phone number. So guys, if you want to reset your Apple ID password without phone number, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, basically there are two ways to reset the password of your Apple ID. So guys, the first way is that you have to simply open Sport app, and then here you will see the reset password option. Simply tap on this, and then from here you can reset your password, and you can also help someone else to reset the password. So guys, you have to simply choose anyone, and after this you have to simply follow the instructions to reset the password of your Apple ID. So guys, this is the first way, and the second way is that you have to simply go back, and now you have to simply open any browser and then search here for iforgot.apple.com. And if you want to reset the password, you can open this website to another tab as well. So guys, simply press and hold it, copy link, and here you can see this, it is being opened in the other browser. So guys, here you have to simply give here your phone number or email address, and then you have to simply follow the instructions, and then you will be able to reset the password of your Apple ID. So guys, basically there are two options only to reset the password of your Apple ID. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.